Good morning from me and my crazy bedhead, and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is Thursday. I have not vlogged all week, which is very unusual. That looked really creepy, but it was just Molly entering the room, don't worry. That creeped me out a little too. And I'm currently sitting at our new desk, which I have not shown you guys yet. I filmed an unboxing clip when it came, so that will definitely go into this vlog. But this whole room is totally not set up, but I've just been sitting here like in the middle of the room, in the middle of chaos, working at this desk all week because I'm so obsessed with having a desk, you guys. It's so good. I just love it. I've never had a desk in my adult life, which I know sounds crazy, but never. I've never done it. So it just is so nice to sit down somewhere and get some work done. I'm loving it. So I already made my morning chai. It was sort of like mad dash because it's only 8:51, but I have a 9 a.m. call. So sort of had to get up and get my ish together. No time for a long intro or something like that. I've not done like a nice relaxing intro in a while though, so we gotta get back to those pretty soon. I just feel like I'm always in such a rush to start my day that it sort of falls to the wayside, but gotta make sure that we prioritize that. Here we go. So today is actually gonna be extremely call heavy. I have 3 calls, which I know does not sound like that much. Actually, there was a 4th call, but it got canceled yesterday, so it's a little better, but still like 3 calls. 9 a.m., 11 a.m., and 12 p.m. So at least the whole afternoon is clear, which is nice. And I've already, just because yesterday I was like sort of panicking, I already went ahead and like mapped out how different things I have to get done will fit between calls or after calls or whatever. So that's good. I had a really productive day yesterday in preparation for this day because I just find when I'm on calls all day that I'm just not as productive because I don't know, like they just cut up my flow, you know, versus like I can really sit down and like fall into a work hole for like 4 hours straight and like not look up from my computer. Yeah, for whatever reason, it just, when I'm on calls, that just really breaks up my flow. So anyway, I don't even know what the heck I'm rambling about. What else is new? I also got some really fun desk accessories I'm really excited to unbox for you guys. I already had a look through them, but I haven't like opened them or set them up. So really today, if I can, I want to work on getting this room a little bit more situated. Connor's going out with some of his friends tonight, so I figured it may be a good opportunity for me to like play around a little bit. Molly cat? Molly. Also, I just saw my note that I have to pay rent today, which means today is July 1st. What the heck? How are we in July, you guys? I'm like shook about it. I can't even. Maybe get on this call, and I don't exactly know when I'll check in with you guys. We'll see how the day goes. Molly Cat has been very distraught about the desk chair situation because there's not as much room for her to cuddle, obviously, as when I'm on a couch. And she cannot like quite figure it out. I mean, she has, like, this is what she does all day. She just sits here. But it's not the most comfortable, and oh my gosh, I have to cut her nails so badly. It's like she keeps digging them into me and it hurts so bad. Molly, you don't like a desk chair? Not enough room for cuddles? Look at this cat. So funnily enough, that call that I just got off actually ended up canceling a ton of my calls for the day. They're getting moved to tomorrow, which is a bummer, but that's okay. We just had to go over a couple things that like changed some of the calls. So still have my 11 a.m. call, but after that, I am in the clear, which makes this day so much more doable. I'm really glad that it sort of worked out that way. So I'm going to just get some work done here in the next hour before my 11 a.m. call, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. I just put together the most strange concoction for lunch, but look at how yummy that looks. That's a lot of good stuff in there. So we have avocado, tabbouleh, turkey, and then I use some of this magnifique sauce, which is like sort of like an In-N-Out sauce dupe from Trader Joe's, and very excited about that. On here, a little bit of sriracha ranch as well, just to make sure it's nice and creamy. And I put it on a pretzel bun, so it's going to be interesting. It looks really good. I'm excited. Oh yeah, that is delicious. Oh my god, this is so good. You know what I should have put on it is some lettuce. That would have been really yummy too, but this is still so delicious. Okay, before I get back to work, I wanted to haul some stuff for you that I picked up for the office. And then after that, I'm gonna try to just like push through as much work as I can. And then I'm going to do a little bit of work in here, which I'm really excited about. And not like I mean like I'm going to work on setting up the room a little bit. But I thought I would show you a few little things that I picked up that I just thought would be good to have. And I'll link everything down below as always.
Editing Jill popping in here really quickly just because I realized that I never queue up the clip of me unboxing our desk and like showing you that, and I definitely want to show that to you guys, so I'm gonna put that in right here, and then we're going to pop back into the haul. But thank you for bearing with me here.
Very exciting day because we just got our desk in the mail and I am so excited. Okay.
The national anthem, Jill. Have some goddamn respect.
Oh, I'm so excited to see this, you guys. Very pumped.
All right. Oh, man.
And these open up, and then this flips up.
Wow, how did you figure that out so quickly? Do you want me to put some weight on it?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, yeah, do that over here too. Thank you, babe.
Ooh, very
Perfecto.
nice. How was it height-wise?
Well, let's get the chair. I'm excited.
You can tell how excited Jill is by the way she's running. Wow, look at that.
Perfecto.
Give me the review, baby. What do we think?
Nice height, nice sturdy base. Overall, I'm a fan.
See-through bottom, so no funny business during the workday.
Still be funny business. I like it though. I thought it came with the accessories that it showed in the photo on the side, but whatever.
Yeah, like a little storage there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should get like a little bin or something like that for there.
Yeah. So first up here, I just have an extension cord that has a lot of different kinds of plugs, or I guess just like normal plugs and USB. It's not that many different kinds, but every kind that I need. There we go. So it has some USB ports and then some normal plugs. So I thought that would be really useful to have at the desk. It also came with like some screws if you want to like screw it into your wall, but I'll probably just leave it on the floor. I'll be fine with that. Next up, I got this laptop stand riser that also has a little spot where you can stick your phone. It was honestly sort of hard to find one that looked good at all. So this is like not the cutest. It's literally just like silver metal, I think. Oh no, it's actually white, which is good because everything else I got is white. I forgot I was able to find it in white, but very like basic, not glamorous, but that will be good. And so with that, I obviously need to get a keyboard and a mouse. So I picked up this little wireless mouse here. Really just simple. I feel like I don't need to say anything about that. And then this really cool keyboard, which I'm actually very excited for because it can connect with up to 3 devices. There's just like 1, 2, and 3 at the top there, so you click which device you want. And that's just going to be so good for me because I'm constantly sending DMs on my phone over Instagram and then having to do things on my computer. So being able to just like do that all from one keyboard is going to be huge for me. I'm very, very excited. And that's it. Oh no, actually there is one other thing. Let me grab the scissors. So also got a new external hard drive that I'm going to try to use with my Dell that I do like my sim stuff on, because I couldn't get any of my current external hard drives to work on my Dell. I don't know if it's a problem with the computer or a problem with the hard drives, but we're gonna try this. I figured maybe those hard drives are optimized to Mac and that's why it's struggling. So I'm gonna try this. If it doesn't work, I'll just return it. Honestly, I should just keep it regardless because I always need more space. And then the last exciting thing that came today is my Ember mug. I don't know if you guys recall, but Conor got me this for Christmas this past year. Mine just like came totally dysfunctional. It didn't really work. And so I've been going back and forth with customer service for a while now, and finally they sent me a replacement one. So very excited to finally get to start using this too. That's gonna be so fun. Look at all my fun goodies that I got.
Fun. Very practical stuff. I like this.
Thanks. Yeah, a little laptop riser.
Yeah, no, this looks perfect for you. It's gonna be great. I'm really actually pumped to get this sorted out.
I know,
this
me
weekend.
too. I'm so
excited. We got the
excited.
time too, so.
Exactly. 5 p.m. That's why I put up 10, clearly. And I'm just gonna throw a little bit of makeup on, and actually my plans for the day have changed slightly. So I know I said I was gonna work on the office a bit, but I actually don't think I'm going to do that tonight after all. I was thinking about logistically for videos, I'd rather like do the whole office in a day for one vlog. I really won't be able to do that until Saturday because I'm gonna need Connor's help and he's going out tonight. And tomorrow we have other plans, but we are gonna work on the office on Saturday, so that will be coming up just a little later down the line. So I thought tonight while Connor is out would be a good time to go through and film, you know, 1 or 2 episodes of like my Sim series. So I'm going to work on that tonight instead. And then we're just gonna have like a chill night here while Connor's out. I don't know if he'll be out late or not. I have no idea. He doesn't even know, I don't think. Look at how much I'm breaking out. My chin has been so bad for the past couple months. It's driving me crazy. So I'm just gonna do a bit of light makeup. I really don't want like much going on. I've been doing this sort of like really extra light makeup the last couple times I've done my makeup, and I feel like it still makes me look more put together, but it's less makeup on my face and this is a lot faster, which is sort of always my 2 goals. Connor and I actually have a sort of fun Saturday planned anyway, so that'll be fun to vlog on that day. We'll get the office set up. I have a couple other things. We have a really fun dinner planned, so that'll be a lot of fun. So yeah, sorry for the tease on like telling you that you guys were gonna see the office start to come together today, because that's just not gonna happen anymore, but I hope you enjoyed the vlog anyway. Yeah, so for this makeup look, I have been using a bit of Tarte Shape Tape just on my chin, just because I've been breaking out there, like I said. So I want a little bit fuller coverage there. And then around my eyes, I just used this, this like Nude Sticks concealer. It's actually called a tinted blur stick, which I think is pretty accurate for what it does. And I like the way that looks under my eyes. It's not quite as full coverage, but it still sort of evens that out. Touch of bronzer, some blush. I've been loving this Tarte cream blush. It's in Ocean Girl. Just adds like a pretty flush to my skin, and since it's a cream, it blends really well. It looks really natural, nice and glowy, just the way I like it. On the eyes, I've been keeping it really super simple with just a like full flush of color across the whole lid. I've been using my Kylie palette. This I just do like sort of messy, because once you have mascara on, it'll all sort of come together. Touch of brows. I've been loving this It Cosmetics Brow Power Filler. Brush them up. And then the last thing I would usually do is do some setting spray, but since I'm just literally staying home and like fixing up and just like filming and doing my own thing, I'm not going to even bother with a setting spray or anything like that. Getting your new socks.
Back.
Connor on Prime Day bought socks and underwear, which
I'm a grown-up now.
I found, like, look at this in my hair, you guys. The craziest, like, straight up curly Q. Pew! It's so bouncy. Also, like, under here, this hair straight up grows. Oh my god, why does it keep getting so dark? Anyway, look at this. This hair straight up goes straight. Like, straight. Over here, I have, again, some straight pieces. They literally just grow that way. It's not like my hair that's not grown out. I had more, like, curly Qs over here, too. You're leaving? Is Becker here? I wanted to say hi. And we're back. My hair is looking a little weird, but I just don't care that much. We're just gonna roll with it. By the way, you guys, very exciting news. I booked my first curly girl haircut. I did it. How proud are you guys? Are you so proud of me? I am very, very excited. I actually booked it with this girl. Her name is Sammy, and she was the very first person, this is back in February of 2020, so like pre-pandemic, that told me that I should go for it and grow out my natural hair. You know, she was like, I'll totally help you, like go through the process, whatever, but I wasn't like totally sold and was sort of like, I don't know, I'm still definitely keeping my straight hair. Then the pandemic happened and I changed my mind and blah, blah, blah. Obviously I didn't get to like go to her because everywhere was closed. And by the time places reopened, she was no longer working there. And so I have spent, I'm not even kidding, I swear I'm not exaggerating, months tracking her down because she did an amazing job on my hair. She like encouraged me so much, said that she would help me with like the whole process of growing out my hair, which obviously at this point I've already done. But I just really, there's something in my gut that told me like she is the one for me. Like, she is the person who I am meant to get my first curly girl cut from. So going to her, she actually is between salons right now, but she said that she's doing like backyard cuts. So we're both fully vaccinated. I confirmed that with her, and obviously I'm fully vaccinated. So going to get a haircut from her. I am very, very nervous, but also excited. So I'm doing that like 2 weeks from now, like a week basically from when you guys are seeing this video. So of course I'll be documenting the process. I don't know how much of the actual cut I can film. We'll see what happens, but you'll be getting before and afters, and this baby's getting shaped, and we're gonna get as much of that straight hair here off of my head as possible. Anyway, there you go. That is the makeup, and I am going to go ahead and sit down and film some Sims now. Okay, 7:15 p.m. Just finished recording that Sims video, and I just have like 1 or 2 little things that I want to do quickly before I fully wrap up work for the day. It's just like a 5-minute thing. But yeah, it's already 7:15, so I think I'm just gonna relax for a little while, and then we're gonna get into dinner. I don't even know what I'm gonna have, but oh my gosh, I am actually really tired, you guys. I'm feeling really worn down, so very much looking forward to wrapping this whole thing up. I am very excited. Just ordered some ramen for dinner. My stomach is literally grumbling already. I'm so hungry. I'm all comfy on the couch here, but I'm about to like turn our apartment into my favorite vibe. We're gonna close the blinds, we're gonna get some cool lights on, we're gonna light some candles, and tonight I am going to start Cruel Summer for the first time, which I'm very excited about. I've seen so many people talking about it, so I'm intrigued. I have to tell you, I'm such a fan of these new light bulbs that I finally installed. Why did I wait so long? It's a mystery, but purple please. The purple is so good with our sunset lamp. Close up the blinds here. Goodbye, world. Don't want people looking at me. Turn on the sunset lamp. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Light a bunch of candles. Get this guy going. This guy's almost a goner. I probably shouldn't even light him. We have this guy down here that hasn't even been lit yet. Lit. Haha, there we go. Looking good. Ramen from Jinya has arrived, and I'm so excited about it. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. I'm so hungry. It's gonna be so good. Also, almost done with the first episode of Cruel Summer, and I'm liking it. It's definitely, it's a little trippy. I don't know what's going on, so we'll see. Just like that, it is 11 p.m. Connor's home now.
Yee.
And we're going to bed. Cruel Summer, though, was actually very entertaining. Like, the writing is very like teen drama at times. Like sometimes the things they say, the writing's just not very good.
But it keeps you guessing.
It really does. Like I honestly cannot, I have no idea what's going on or who is lying. So that part I'm very into, and it makes it like, honestly, the bad writing doesn't really bother me in this one.
No.
It's fine. It just is stupid sometimes.
Crushed 3 episodes.
Yeah, we did. Crushed 3 episodes. And then we watched the newest Dave, which was definitely the best one of the season so far.
It really was.
Pretty funny. Some pretty funny parts. And then we watched a little bit of happy endings, and here we are.
Big night.
A nice binging night.
Woo!
Woo! Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later.